I want to give you more intuition. I want to give you more intuition as to why all triangles, all their angles, when added up together, equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so here I have a triangle, and then the last thing, and I have these angles. This angle right here equals something. This angle right here. This angle right here equals something. This angle right here equals something. Now, if I were to cut this angle off, let me just do that. Okay, if I cut this angle off, which I did, see, this is the triangle. If I were to cut this angle off, this is the angle right here. And if I brought it around and put it next to the triangle, as you can see, if I were to start right here at this angle, and I were to stop right here, I would just have a 90-degree angle, just have this angle. But then if I were to go from here, this line, all the way to this one right here, I would have a new angle, a larger angle. It would be this angle plus this angle. So I'd go from here to here. Now, if I were to cut off this angle right here, okay, so I cut this angle right here. If I were to cut this, and I were to bring it over here, and I were to put it right next to this angle, okay, I were to put it right next to this angle, you'll notice something. That I first just started off with this angle, starting from right here to here. Started from right here and going to right here. Then I added this angle, so I went from right here all the way to right here. And then I added this angle, so now I go from right here all the way to right here. And like we said in the previous video, if I were to go from right here all the way to right here, I would have created a straight line. See? A straight line across. And that is equal to 180 degrees. Because if I were to start right here and go all the way around right here, that's 180 degrees. And this is why all the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Because I added this angle to this angle, because I added this right here, and I added this angle to it too. So I start right here, and I go all the way around by adding all these angles, and I get 180 degrees. Because I make a half sphere. So yes, that's how it works. That's why all triangles add up to 180 degrees. All the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. All right, Sage, go. Bye.